And as Hurricane Melissa continues to roll over Jamaica, upstate families are getting updates from their loved ones on the island.
Our Nate Stanley spoke to an upstate man today with family in St. Catherine as they braced for the storm. He joins us live now with more.
Well, the man I spoke to says that he's been receiving dramatic videos and pictures from his family there in Jamaica. Now he says all he can do is pray and keep waiting for more updates.
On a rescue mission, rescue mission.
These are the dramatic scenes unfolding on Ken Bafford's phone as he gets updates from his family in Jamaica.
Every hour I keep calling and stuff like that, checking up, and some of them is all right, some of them is really frightened right now.
He moved to Asheville 20 years ago from St. Catherine, Jamaica.
So while right now it's really a tense moment for me with Hurricane Melissa in Jamaica.
It now runs Shabingo, an authentic Jamaican food truck in Spartanburg.
I serve authentic Jamaican food, high-end Jamaican food.
He tells us the island is no stranger to severe weather, but Bafford fears Hurricane Melissa is different.
And this one is a category 5. So my worst fear is how long it's gonna take to rebuild, you know. 'Cause I know lights gonna be out, water gonna be out, you know. And there's a lot of people in Jamaica gonna need a lot of help, you know.
And as he's getting more updates, he's already planning to help.
We're getting ready to send help to Jamaica. We have stuff already lined up. We have like barrels and containers of goodies we're gonna send down to help people out and stuff like that.
Nate, the pictures and videos so devastating. If people want to help with donations, how can they do that?
Well, Bafford says that he expects to open the truck later this week, as early as Thursday, where he'll accept donations. He also tells us that he expects to donate parts of his revenue and send that money to people in Jamaica who may need it. You can find more information on his social media pages. Mark and Sydney, back to you.